Have you ever dreamed of designing your very own line of holiday greeting cards? Print-on-demand platforms today make it super easy to design and sell your own greeting cards. Hi, I'm Julie. I'm an artist from Vancouver, Canada. I love finding new ways to apply my artwork to products, especially greeting cards. I've been selling my art on Zazzle since 2014, so I have nearly 10 years of experience. I'm classified as a pro bronze designer, which means that I've made over $1,000 in the US market alone. I also teach other artists how to sell their art online through my website, YouTube channel, and here on Skillshare, where I share premium long format content. The reason why I love Zazzle is because they have an extremely powerful design tool which allows you to combine your artwork with elements like text and photos that you can design as templates, so your customer can actually go in and add their very own text and photos to create something unique and special. In this class, I'm going to be taking you step by step through the process of designing your very own line of holiday greeting cards, through the most basic cards to cards with custom text elements, custom photo elements, and even real foil elements. You can also take this class any time of the year if you're interested in just learning how to design greeting cards in general. The steps that I'll be teaching you in this class are relevant for any type of card that you want to create. By the end of this class, you'll be able to design and sell your very own line of holiday greeting cards. So if all that sounds good to you, then without further ado, let's get started.